Hi, I did this fresh faced makeup look to symbolize a fresh start in 2018. It involves a soft neutral smoky eye and dusty rosy lips and sheer foundation. So I used the Makeup Revolution I Heart Makeup Chocolate Voice eyeshadow palette. I applied the shade Convert all over my eyelids using an Elizabeth Mott makeup brush. I then applied the shade Treat on the crease as well as the outer V. This Lancome dual-ended makeup brush is a nightmare. It tugs at the eyelids very badly. I got it in a Lancome palette and won't be using it again. I then used the highlighter Vice on the inner corners and the brow bone. This is the Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Eye Crayon. For my upper lids, I used the Ico I Do eyeliner. I like a really nice tight line. To prime my face, I used the Paula's Choice Resist Smoothing Primer Serum. It has SPF 30, so I don't have to worry about sun protection. For concealer, I used the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer in shade SX08. It was recommended to me by makeup artist Nora Salazar and is the best concealer ever. Also, the old Wayne Goss makeup brush 16 is the perfect brush to blend this one out. For my face, I used the YSL Touche Eclat cushion in the shade Honey. It's quite sheer really, but it's ideal for that fresh face makeup look that I was aiming for. You can see it hasn't covered my acne scars at all, although the shade match is perfect. For some peripheral warmth, I applied the Bourjois bronzing powder in shade 51. It smells delicious, like chocolate, spicy chocolate at that. For highlighter, I used the Hourglass Ambient Strobe Lighting Powder in Incandescent Strobe Light. Unfortunately, right after doing this look, it fell out of my hands and broke horribly. The mascara I used is Wet n Wild Max Fanatic Cat Eye. For my brows, I used Benefit Gimme Brow. It's a sort of go-to for me because I like that you don't need a separate brush for it and it's hassle-free and convenient. Finally, I used Lancome's Matte Shaker on my lips. This is the shade Beige Vintage. It is perfect for everyday wear. This lipstick was among my favorites for 2017. It's a comfortable liquid lipstick that doesn't dry on my lips at all and feels very lightweight like second skin. And the shade is Dusty Rose with coral undertones. Perfect for everyday wear. Like Lancome's Juicy Shaker, the Matte Shaker also needs some shaking up to get the product out though. So that's the look. Very dewy, fresh-faced, lightweight foundation used, neutral lips, ideal for everyday wear. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll speak to you soon.